Hello, my name is Dayton. I'm a teacher at Native English, and I'm going to answer some of your questions about English. The first question you asked is, what is the difference between the meaning of the nouns research, study, and investigation? Research is basically, it's an uncountable noun that's talking about the systematic investigation or study of a particular topic. We quite often use this in science and medicine and at universities. So you could say that the university is conducting research into curing cancer. Study is a detailed investigation or analysis of a subject or situation. But this can be used as the singular, as the countable version of research. So we can say a study as apart from research. An investigation is a formal or systematic examination of something. We normally use this word when we're talking about trying to solve some sort of mystery or even a crime. So the police are conducting an investigation into the murder of the famous celebrity. Okay, so the second question is, when do we say divide and when separate? And to divide as a verb can mean dividing into parts, into separate pieces or sections of something. Say we can divide a book into chapters. But to separate as a verb can be used to cause to move apart or to divide into distinct elements. It's a little bit different than divide. If we talk about separating people, you can say that the referee in a boxing match separated the fighters from each other, that he forced them apart. So imagine you go to the market and you buy a big bag of apples, but some of the apples are bad and some of them are good. Should you separate the apples, the good from the bad, or should you divide the apples, the good from the bad? The correct answer is you should separate the good from the bad. The third question you asked was, what is the difference between the meaning of the words yearly and annual? Now, most of the time, yearly and annual are synonyms. They mean the same thing. These are happening once a year. The Highland Games is an annual event, or the Highland Games is a yearly event. We can say the same thing that way. Which way can we say this sentence? My company organizes a Christmas party. Is it an annual event or a yearly event? Or can we say both? The correct answer is we can say both. It's a yearly event or an annual event.
Research. An uncountable noun meaning a systematic examination of something. Study. A countable noun referring to a certain part of research that involves a detailed analysis of something. Investigation. A formal examination of something often carried out by the police or other governmental bodies. To divide. To split something up. To separate. To move people or objects apart. Yearly. Annual. Both adjectives have the same meaning and can be used interchangeably.
Okay, so I hope your investigation into English is something that doesn't divide you or separate you from your friends, and you can meet with them more often than on an annual basis.